Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Gmail with Make.com. So this is the Make.com dashboard. You want to come here at the top right, click on create a new scenario. Okay, now here you'll see the plus icon and a search bar. Just go ahead and type in a Gmail and you'll see this right here. It is verified. You can click on this and you'll see the different triggers and actions you can go to do, even the features. So we'll come here, let's say send an email, right? Once we select your action, they'll ask you to create a connection. Basically, sign in to your Gmail to connect it, okay? Just click on this. They'll ask you for a connection name. You can name this anything you want. It's just for you to identify it better. And then just come here, click on sign. And with Google, it will open up this pop-up where you need to just choose your Google account to authenticate it with, okay? For example, just choose this one and then wait for the authentication. Come here, click on continue. Okay. Then scroll down, click on continue, basically allowing these permissions. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.